Hello everyone, I'm Father Martin Padovani. Affirmation, we really all need it. To deny this need is tantamount to denying our humanness. We would not feel uncomfortable about admitting our need for water to quench our thirst or our need for food to satisfy our hunger. Why do we feel so uncomfortable or ashamed to admit our need for affirmation? Isn't it interesting to see how Jesus sought the approval and affirmation from his disciples and from the people? He was angry and hurt that the scribes and Pharisees refused to approve of him. Remember how disappointed and hurt Jesus was when only one of the 10 lepers returned to give thanks to Jesus after he healed all of them? Notice in the Bible how often God asks for and accepts the praise of his people. Let us be honest to admit we all need affirmation, even though we may not receive it. It is important that we handle this lack of affirmation in a mature way. Therefore, we will be hurt and angry and disappointed, but we don't want to allow ourselves to be destroyed or think less of ourselves if we don't receive affirmation. It is normal to feel hurt, but not become bitter persons. How many people suffer from low self-esteem, lack of self-confidence in themselves, or they don't feel worthwhile at all because they were not affirmed and praised as children? There remains still with them a lingering self-doubt about themselves. Most parents do love their children and feel good about their children, but they fail at times to express this by words. Affirmation needs expression and needs manifestation. Furthermore, you and I will never receive the amount of affirmation that we really deserve. We need to affirm ourselves then as God affirms us unconditionally. This is not false pride or self-centeredness. It is the truth, and to be truthful about ourselves is humility. The humble person thanks God for the good he is able to accomplish and the good gifts that God has given him. We are all called as Christians to be affirming people. Let us make our relationships, especially in family and marriage, more healthy, warmer, and more Christian by taking the time to affirm one another and ourselves. Let's never take one another for granted, and let's always be affirming. Thank you, and God bless you.